不愿染是与非，怎料事与愿违。心中的话。Welcome back to my channel. You with the girl Nev Khalees, and today we're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff in this vlog. So I'm going to start off and show you guys how to install my lace front. Today is my big sister's surprise baby shower because she didn't want one, but her co-workers decided to still throw her one, so we're gonna go ahead and join her. And then also today is her anniversary with her husband, so yes, you guys are gonna join me today on all that. I know my hair look a hot mess. I know these pores are horrible. I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's on my face, so it's okay. It's okay. But anyway, so guys, I hope you like my room. I never show my room because I did a horrible paint job. You can tell who painted it. It was me. See, this is my room. Hope you guys like it. So yeah, that's my room. This is my son section. My daughters have their own room, but my son never sleeps in his bed. He's always in the bed with me. Good thing I don't have no man. But yeah. So this is my room. I hope you guys like it. That's my makeup cosmetic bag over there. My son's mad right now because his Nintendo's not working for him. So yeah. This is my makeup bag, my makeup chair, so when I do clients hair or even my kids hair, that's my chair. My ring light box, because I'm very organized. I don't like a bag of mess in my house or my room. Everything needs to be neat. So yeah, this is my room. I know it's weird, but yeah, it's my room. If you guys have not done so already, please hit that like, subscribe button at the bottom, okay? Don't forget, we need to subscribe. We got to subscribe. I love the views. Thank you so much, you guys. I love the support, but we also need you guys to subscribe too, okay? All right, we need you to get joined in the Angel Rock family side, okay? All right. Thank you. So stay tuned. Yes, I know I should have the hair here explained to you, but yeah, we're gonna go with the bald head first, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything. So basically, excuse the mess, we're in my living room. You guys like the paint? I repainted it. You guys like it? Yes, I did it by myself. So if you see any paints like all over, I'm not a pro. We're just gonna put it like that. All right, so the hair that I'm using, it came in a packet like this off of Amazon. And I don't have my phone on me. Someone off my Facebook asked me to purchase this hair, saying that this is really good hair. Oh, okay, so here it is. The Unique Beauty Straight Lace Front for Black Woman Natural Hair. Ooh, Black Woman Natural. So yeah, so this is the packaging of how it comes. This is the hair. I'm gonna put it right here on my couch. And it's 14 inches hair. I need to clip my nails. I'm sorry, you guys. It's been rough. You can see I came into Easter like this. Like, I didn't even get my hair done. I was like, I wasn't having it. I don't know. I just didn't feel like it. But I'm grateful. I still praise my God. I still, you know, prayed, watched church through Zoom, and it was wonderful. And I cooked, and me and my family, we cooked. We enjoyed ourselves. This is the hair. So before I pull the hair out, I'm going to show you what came with the hair. So I guess show your beauty. And this is hair tips. It's just basically explaining how to dye the hair, how to take care of it, and all that. How to wash it as well. See, for a homegirl like me who barely knows what to do with wigs, this will be a great tip. And you can find this hair off of Amazon. It's very affordable. It's not expensive. I think I paid, it shouldn't have been more than 80. That for a fact. I know it was less than 80. It's been a while. I bought their hair in February. Yeah, and I just had it sit here. And it comes with a wig cap. So it's very bright. I'm gonna need a darker color. I have wave caps, so I don't think I'm gonna need this. So yeah. So I'm gonna, oh yeah, y'all see that belly? I want to do a video with me going to the gym. Don't mind me, okay? I gained a lot of weight, but happy weight is good weight. When you have God, you have good. You have everything. It's already pre-plucked. Pre-plucked, 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 pre-plucked. Yes. Got pins so we can pin the hair down, okay? Like that. Pulling backward, you know, but I'm plucking from the back. So I'm gonna start from the back and work my way to the front, but I'm gonna do it from the side. My head is big as shit. So right now, so that's how I look. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to go ahead and sew. We're gonna be sewing down the back so it can stay, so the lace can sit longer. So I'm gonna take my needle, my thread, so I can sew the back down. Alright you guys, so we got that part done, sewed up. I don't know how I look in the back, so if it look fucked up, I'm sorry, I can't do nothing about it. So we're gonna get our Got2b spray and we're gonna spray here of where we want the lace to sit. So always remember, you want to be not like, you see how your cap is here, you don't want to make the Got2b spray go down there, like, because it's gonna be hard to cut, one, and then two, you're gonna look like you have like a cap over your fucking head. You don't want that. Like, just right around the line, right around your edges, you may just want to go a little bit inch over it, not too much, just a little bit over it. So you see how I do mine? I do it like I spray one at a time, because this spray actually leaks. I'm not even gonna lie, it leaks down. I'm doing this part like that more because my cap is just, when I cut it, I know it's gonna give me a problem. So I'm spraying this part more. Oh God, the oil is already dripping. So bring it backwards. Don't push it forward, because then it's gonna come out like that. You see how that one's already pushing out? We don't want that. So we're gonna just bend it backwards, spray it backwards. Remember, use as much as possible of this, because this is your first step of laying your lace. If this is not set,
Baby, that lace gonna be lifting up before you even walk out that door. Let's not take that chance. And I'm not even a pro yet, but I done learned my lessons from this already. I am not playing, boy. No, not there again. Oops, I went too much high. Oh, crap. See, talking to y'all. Baby, mess up. I'm just playing. Don't mind me. Yeah, it's all frizzy and all messed up now, but it's fine. I can fix it. I'm not keeping it in a ponytail. I just put it like that so I can do. I'm gonna have to fix over the part when I get a chance. So I have to take all these out. And this is Unique Hair. You can also purchase it off Amazon. So I can keep it in a ponytail. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. But this part is for my baby edges. That's why I already parted it out. I already plucked the hair. I'm gonna show y'all. I will insert of me, not the full video of me fixing the wig. Alright, so we took that part off, and now I'm just gonna lift these up, and I'm gonna cut underneath them. Y'all know what I forgot to do? Dye the fucking hair.